Hello friends, welcome to my channel Physics with Rakshit. In the present video, I will compare physical space-time with the space-time of monster, and by this way, I will explain both kind of space-time shortly. In reality, in our universe, there are three kind of space-time. First one is physical space-time, which is governed by law of physics. Second one is space-time of monster, which is governed by quantum theory of Yoga. Third one is space-time of consciousness, which is governed by science of consciousness in the state of super consciousness. So let's start. First point of discrepancy is quantum field of massive particle tells space-time of physical space-time how to curve, and physical space-time tells quantum field of massive particle how to move. Similar to physical spacetime, various streams of spacetime of monster tells quantized spacetime of monster how to curve, and quantized spacetime of monster tells various streams how to move. Here streams means vritti of yoga philosophy. Vritti is translated as stream or form. So here I have used stream word. I have given this point of discrepancy using famous sentence of John Wheeler, that is mass tells spacetime how to curve and spacetime tells mass how to move. Using this sentence, John Wheeler described the relationship between mass and spacetime. Similar to that sentence, here in this point of discrepancy, I have described relationship between quantum field of massive particle and quantized spacetime, and various streams of spacetime of monster and quantized spacetime of monster. Second point of discrepancy is physical spacetime follows principle of locality, while spacetime of monster doesn't follow principle of locality. Earlier we have seen that principle of locality means any particle cannot move with the speed greater than speed of light. So here spacetime of monster violates principle of locality. Third point of discrepancy is physical spacetime as well as spacetime of monster both are relational in nature. It means they follow theory of relativity. Next point is, since I have described both kind of spacetime with the aid of theory of loop quantum gravity, here one-dimensional loops create quantum space. Similar to one-dimensional loop, various streams creates quantum space of monster. In case of physical spacetime, spacetime singularity occurs when any stellar or galactic object is converted into black hole while having gravitational collapse and resolved by Big Bounce model of loop quantum gravity. Similar to physical spacetime, here spacetime singularity occurs when monster reaches to state of super consciousness, and by quantizing spacetime of monster, one can resolve spacetime of singularity of spacetime of monster. Last point is, in case of physical spacetime, since we have used loop quantum gravity, solution of Wheeler-DeWitt equation would be found at nodes of spin network if we extrapolate physical spacetime in the backward direction. Similar to physical spacetime, solution of quantized spacetime of monster could be found at first stream or first form of first vritti if we extrapolate quantized spacetime of monster in the backward direction. So here I have given various points of discrepancy through which one can understand both kind of space-time briefly. Using this discrepancy, one can understand space-time of consciousness also. Thanks for listening and watching. If you have any question regarding physical space-time as well as space-time of monster and this comparison, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you very much. Please share and subscribe my channel.